Hi guys, welcome my new video. In this video I have to explain you how to pin your Instagram post top of the grid. Instagram has a new update, so this is a new update. So you can put your sharing posting to first place of Instagram page. So let's start our subject. Now first of all, we choose a post, which one you pin your Instagram page, and I choose the post. I choose this post, and we press that 3 points on the right side. Can you see that? We press here, and we see that pin to your profile, second line, pin to your profile. We choose that, and now we come our main page. We see that now pin or post to first place of Instagram page. You see that, and if you remove that post in your Instagram page, again we choose our post, and again we press that 3 points on the right side up, and then unpin from profile. You see that we click here again, and like this we remove, refresh our page, we remove this pin on your Instagram page. Like this, you can see we remove it. I see that this is a new update on Instagram, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago it's updated, and I hope it's useful for you guys. If you subscribe my channel and if you follow my Instagram page, I will be happy. Thank you very much for watching.